If you want to design a professional business logo without using complicated software, Canva is the perfect place to start. Whether you're launching a new business or rebranding an existing one, creating a strong logo is one of the most important steps. Let's walk through how to make a business logo in Canva from start to finish. First, open your browser and go to canva.com. If you're new to Canva, you can sign up for free in just a few seconds. Once you're on the homepage, type business logo in the search bar at the top and press enter. You'll now see a wide selection of logo templates designed for all kinds of industries, from fashion and tech to food, beauty, and fitness. Take your time browsing through the options until you find one that matches your brand's identity or the look you want to create. When you found the perfect starting point, click on it and then select Customize this template. This will open Canva's easy-to-use design editor. Inside the editor, you can start personalizing your logo. Begin by editing the text. Click on the text box to add your brand name and tagline. You can adjust the font style, size, and spacing to match your brand's tone. Try bold, modern fonts for tech businesses or elegant, handwritten styles for creative or boutique brands. Next, choose your color palette. Your colors should represent your brand's personality. For example, earthy tones for eco-friendly brands or sleek blues and grays for something more corporate. Canva makes it simple to experiment until you find a color combination that feels right. Now, let's add a unique touch. On the left panel, click on the Elements tab. Here you'll find thousands of icons, shapes, and design elements. Try searching for icons that relate to your business. A leaf for a nature brand, a gear for a tech company, or a brush for a creative studio. Drag and drop your chosen elements into your design and adjust their size or placement until everything looks balanced. Once your logo feels complete, take a moment to review it. Make sure it's simple, memorable, and clear even at smaller sizes. The best logos are instantly recognizable and look great on everything from websites to business cards. When you're happy with your design, click the download button in the top right corner. Choose a high quality format like PNG or SVG, depending on where you plan to use it, online, in print, or both. And there you have it, your own professional business logo made entirely in Canva. With just a few steps, you've created a powerful visual identity that represents your brand perfectly. Thanks for watching, and remember, your logo is the face of your business. So make it count.